Good morning. Welcome to the bird and baby. My name is Joffrey, and one of the reasons I'm smoking this pipe is that I just made a video for my other YouTube channel, which is a pipe smoking channel, Joffrey the Giant. I'm starting this channel for our Bird and Baby Philosophy Club, located in upstate South Carolina. And, we'll be posting book reviews, poetry readings, beer tastings, whatever the heck we want to, really. I used to own a bookstore in the area, and the YouTube channel for that is at Silverchair Bookstore. Not updating that anymore, since I've moved on from that, but I want to keep doing some literary and cultural videos. We're going to start doing them here at the Bird and Baby. Let me know if you have any requests. Happy to do that. There's also some chance we might be doing some gas station matches. There's some chance we might be doing some cooperative stuff. So it might be more than just Joffrey on the scene. But that's basically it. Just logging in under all the bird song to let you guys know that on this channel you're going to find poetry, beer, lyric and wine, theological discussion, philosophical discussion, whatever it might be. Subscribe, comment, make requests. Peace.